Hello, I'm Dr. Jim Prothero, and I am your instructor here at Santa Ana College for English 101 Online. And I've been teaching here since 2002, and I have spent those years helping students to become comfortable with their writing. I know a lot of people are afraid when they first come into writing, and they're afraid about grammar and spelling and all these evil things lurking out there to hurt their grade. Okay, I can get you through that. Okay, I can help you so you go from fear to fun. So instead of thinking about those things, you're thinking about your ideas and how you can really express yourself and really say something in future classes in whatever discipline you're in. So our goal is for you to make your writing into something more like a sheet of glass. And that is, it's there. It's definitely there. You can feel it. But people don't see your writing. What they see is beyond your writing to your ideas. And that's what I can do for you. So, our class, as you see here, is on Canvas. All the things you need to know are there. You need to watch announcements because it's on the announcements that I talk to you all the time and I let you know what's going on. You can email me through the inbox in Canvas, or you can email me at the Santa Ana College email that I have, which is my last name, Prothero, and then underscore, and my first name, James, and then the ampersand, the at, sac.edu. So Prothero underscore James at sac.edu. So I'm ready to take you places that you want to get to so that you can take your writing into the professional world and into the world of the academy, into the world of college, into your classes in psychology or sociology or whatever it is you're going to major in, and you can do so with confidence. Are you ready to go? I am. Let's go.